Some customers ask if we can actually hardwire this inside their coach. Well, if they can actually do that. And the answer is yes. We do have an available hardwire kit for the 50 amp and the 30 amp units. It's going to look like this. This is the 50 amp version. It comes with your instructions, your lead, and your junction box if you need it. This part is going to connect into the female version of your autoformer, and these wires, these leads will be what's connected to your transfer switch. This is a 50 amp version, so you have your 2 power, your common, and your ground. And we do have a 30 amp version. Obviously, you just have one less power leg. Again, it is available for both 30 and 50 amps. If you want to store this in your electrical compartment right where your transfer switch is, that's how you do it.